In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload audio in HeyGen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get your audio into a new avatar video without any confusion. If you have your audio file ready on your computer, you're set. Start by opening your browser and going to the HeyGen app. Once the dashboard loads, you'll see a navigation menu on the left. Look for the option labeled Avatar on that left side. Click it to enter the avatar workspace where you'll prepare the project that will use your audio. Inside the avatar area, click New Video to spin up a fresh project. This creates a clean canvas so your upload is attached to the right place from the start. Give the page a moment to load. A brief pause here prevents hiccups later, especially with larger files. Next, choose Record. Even though it's called Record, this section is where HeyGen groups voice capture tools together, including the uploader. Think of it as the audio hub. Whether you plan to record a voice track or bring one in, this is where you'll find the controls. Now, click Upload Audio. This opens the File Uploader panel so you can bring your own track into the project. It's a direct path, no extra menus or hidden options, so you can focus on the file that matters. You'll see a prompt to upload a file or drag and drop it. Either drag your audio in from your desktop or click to browse and select it from your folders. Common formats like WAV and MP3 are great choices. For the cleanest result, use a file with minimal background noise and consistent volume. If you notice a progress indicator, wait for it to fully complete before moving on. Patience here ensures the file is processed correctly and prevents partial uploads. Once your file appears, choose and select it to confirm. This is the moment that tells HeyGen, yes, this is the audio I want tied to my new video. If you keep multiple takes in one folder, a clear file name helps you pick the right one quickly. After selection, your project now has its audio source ready for use. That's it. You've navigated to the avatar workspace, started a new video, opened the record section, used the upload audio option, and confirmed your file. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Aim for a steady speaking level in your recording, trim dead space before uploading to keep things tight, and keep a backup copy of your original audio. You're now ready to move forward confidently with your HeyGen project.